So today we are going to moisturize my hair. My hair been in like in a flat twist style for the whole week. So today we're going to moisturize it because we are not going to wash. We don't wash every week anymore. It's every 2 weeks, but I'm going to moisturize it and reset my hair for another week. Going to use this rosemary water that I made. I'm gonna use my shea butter and a little bit of the shea moisture gel. So that's what we're gonna use today. My hair still feels somewhat moisturized for the whole week. I did not moisturize it at all this week. I think it did really good. And I'm also going to switch. I'm gonna go back to my usual middle part. Rosemary water. Not only we're gonna make sure the hairs have a lot of water, also the scalp. It smells so good. And then we're gonna squeeze the water. I like to squeeze the water in my hair. I'm only gonna finger detangle. I'm not going to use the white tooth comb or any brush. Just gonna finger detangle today. Butter. My hair loves shea butter. Okay, and then we're gonna take a little bit of shea moisture gel. Sure I spray my scalp. Your scalps also need some love. For some reason I cannot find my clips today. I only find one, and I know why. My son was playing on my bathroom, and he probably bring them somewhere else in the house. This side is done. We're gonna put the same thing to this side. go. Done. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my scalp. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I will see you when my hair is fully dry and I'm about to style it. Maybe in a day or two. Actually been 2 days since we washed my hair. Some oil. All done. The shrinkage is real, but I love it.